In the equations above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken, respectively. Not to be confused with respectfully, sheesh. X weeks after July 1st during last summer, what was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price of pound for chicken? So I want B and C to equal each other. Well, in order to do that, I need to find out what X is because it's talking about X weeks. So if B and C need to equal each other, that means this guy and that guy has to equal each other. So I'm going to set them equal to each other. 2.35 plus 0.25x equals 1.75 plus 0.40x. So what we have is a terrible version of an equation with variables on both sides of the equal sign. I'm going to subtract out the smallest version of my variable because that's just the way I do it. You know, you could still subtract 0.4 from both sides, x, and still be fine. But I like getting rid of the smaller version. That way, you know, it keeps my x positive. So that becomes 2.35 equals 1.75 plus 0.15x. Minus 1.75 minus 1.75. Cross U out. And I'm not going off screen to find out what this is. I'm just taking a brief break because life is difficult. What you're hearing is not me typing the numbers into a calculator off screen. It's me sneezing, bless you, and we get 0.6. So 0.6 is equal to 0.15x. Divide both sides by 0.15. And you get 4. Uh-oh. Now, before you look at your answers and say to yourself, gasp, I did it wrong. No, you didn't. See, 4 represents the amount of weeks it took for these guys to match up in price. Is it asking us for how many weeks it took? No, it's asking for the price per pound of beef when it was equal. So I need to find out what B is after that 4th week. So I'm going to rewrite this guy and plug in 4. So 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4. I know that 0.25 times 4 is 1 because of, 4 quarters in a dollar, and that equals 3.35, which means it cost $3.35. Okay? Tricky. If the SATs, when they created a problem like this, what they should have done is they should have given you an option that said $4, so a lot of people would put that as their answer. But the SATs looks like they were nice on this one. Thank you, College Board.